Create a new folder on your desktop. I am naming it to random image generator. Open that folder with VS Code. Install VS Code in your computer. Create a new file index.html. With the help of Emmet abbreviation, use boilerplate of HTML and link style.css to link CSS file to link your CSS file. Give a suitable title. I am giving it random image generator. Now you will have to write a div container, make div container and h1 tag where I am naming it random image generator, and h2 tag will be our enter the number of image. Enter the number of image. Now you'll have to write input tag and change it type into number. Give value of 2. I'm giving it 2, and max will be 10 and minimum number will be 0. Now use p tag for error message. Type error message and give it a class name error message according to you, and dot gallery div, and give it id to gallery, and here we will be putting our image in here. We will be generating our image here inside of this gallery, and now open it with the live server, and you can see this is the basic structure of our HTML file. And now the real game starts with ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT for your productivity and ease. Type HTML and copy it from here. Copy your HTML file from here. Click Ctrl A and copy it. Now paste it here and give all your instructions according to your need. Now I've increased the recording video because of I don't want to waste your time. So here I am giving it instructions according to my need. You can give anything what you want in your web page. So I gave it all information which I need, and it is generating. It will be generate your HTML and CSS, your CSS file according to your need. So it is generating our HTML and CSS file, and it is pretty cool. You will not have to waste your time. So now we can copy our HTML and CSS from here and paste it to our main files here. Here you will have to create a new folder of style.css. Paste it in style.css. Now open it with live server again. Now as you can see, ChatGPT added a style in our HTML file, and it is looking very nice and awesome, as you can see. But here is a problem with our input. Let's make it more clear with ChatGPT again. Here type your confusion or error, anything you want, and again. And here I found a problem with my input, so I am giving it instruction about my input. My input is not very well designed, so it is generating our CSS file again. Copy it again from here and you don't have to do anything. All stuffs will be doing your ChatGPT. Now copy your CSS file from ChatGPT and paste it into style.css again. Here is a problem. Uh, um, let's copy it again. Copy CSS style and paste it again here. Now open it again, and now here you can see the problem has been gone. Our problem is fixed. Now what will you have to do now is uh, oh, I didn't added a button tag here. As you can listen, my voiceover is not well, but if you can understand my voiceover, then I am successful into my perspective. So give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will feel great for you, and I am working very hard to upgrade my equipment. So here I added button tag. Now you can see here a button tag is created. This is our button and this is our random image generator. So now go to our friend again. Who is our friend? Our friend is ChatGPT. Oh, I copied HTML file to provide more information about my HTML to ChatGPT. This is updated HTML. I added a button, as you can see. I added a button, and I am giving I want JavaScript file from here, from ChatGPT. So search Unsplash. I will be using Unsplash API. So click on this menu icon and developer API, and here you can create new application, but I already created a random photo. It will ask something. You will have to check mark all checkbox and make this. So they will provide you access key. Copy it from here, and I am giving this API to ChatGPT and giving it all information about my HTML file. I'm giving my access key, which I copied recently from Unsplash, and it will generate HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for our random image generator. So give all information about your random image generator. It can do all things. You will not have to code. You don't have to code anything, but use some of your creativity. Now you can see it is generating our file again, and this is the basic procedure. You will just have to copy and paste file again and again and your application or whatever you will do will be good for you, and it can save your time. So I pasted it again, and I am pasting another JavaScript. I will be adding JavaScript here. So I'm creating a new file, script.js, and pasting it here. Now you can see this is showing image, random image according to our number. Now add some style to button. I didn't stylized my button, so adding some CSS to this button. Please subscribe to this channel again. Now copy this generated file, copy it again, and copy it again and paste it. The thing is that you will have to just use ChatGPT to all things, so you can do it. Now I changed my button color, but there is a problem with my height. Change it to min height, and you can see this, the problem has been fixed. So this is our random image generator. This is working so long. So please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video.